Oh my god, was he just choking his chicken? Haha. Penis jokes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's about time he came back. Fucking Banjo's getting so damn bored that he started choking his chicken. Right on the damn screen.
He resulted to murder.
Or was it just being his schmeat? You don't know. Alright, welcome back, jabronis. Here again, playing the good old lovable Banjo-Kazooie game that we all know and love.
Yeah.
Coming back, hopefully we'll go hit another one of them levels. Let's go get over to this little counter. Oh, our good friend Bottles.
Ooh, this is an outdoor seal by Grunty with one of her powerful musical spells.
Oh my god.
Ooh, it's not that simple to open it. You must collect the musical notes from the world.
Like you said, like at what? When I collected 50 on like the first world, now you're saying it again? See, that's what I was talking about with the whole spoiler alert thing. Like you're telling me in the world, now you gotta tell me again. It's like, come on, I mean, I'm stupid. I ain't that stupid.
Why don't you make like a ball and bounce?
Biggity bounce.
I would say something else.
That
but
was
I can't
crazy.
say it.
God bless your soul, child.
Make like a tree and duck off.
Yes.
Oh, damn. Look at that.
Now who's that fine looking thing over here? I'm gonna have to strut my tail feathers for her. I'm Brentilda.
Brent.
I don't know what's an uglier name, Brentilda or Gruntilda.
Honestly, both are pretty bad.
Yeah, they're pretty ugly. But hey, you gotta look past the name and just see for who she is. Oh, is this one of the secrets? Oh. Oh, is this one, like, what is she, doesn't she, like, tell you, like, 3 secrets? Like, there's, like, she's, like, spawns all over the map or whatever. Tells you 3 things about Brentilda that you have to know for this stupid quiz that everyone loves.
Oh. Is she an unhealthy person?
Oh, wow. I mean, this guy looks like he wants to get his yoinks of the Yitties, and I said that wrong.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say yoink them Yitties, boys.
Yitties. Consider your Yitties yoink.
I've got them. What are you gonna do about it? You can't do nothing, because I got your Yits in my paws.
Name 5 cereals.
Name 5 cereals. I haven't heard that in a hot minute.
I've never heard that. The first time I heard it was yesterday when John did it to Billy.
That was funny, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. It did take a while. Oh,
well, yeah, because when you got your Yits grasped in another man's hands, it is very hard to think of cereals.
Just don't pay attention.
Oh, where's the puzzle thing? Oh, is it? I'm a buffoon. I know. Isn't the puzzle right where we were, where Brentilda was?
I guess it is hard.
Oh, you're still talking about the
yes,
sniff
man.
cereals?
Yes, man.
What is another man's got? The Yits?
Wait, try and go through the...
Oh, do we have to go through the cereal?
I think that's like to go to Dingpot or something.
No. Isn't it, Oh my... This man just snuck up on me out of nowhere. Oh, you're right, it was you. Was that little shortcut you could go back and forth with?
Yeah.
Nice. The puzzle, because the second world is Treasure Cove.
Yeah, you were like at the place, right?
Yeah, I was there, but I have to open up with the puzzle, so I'm guessing it's back in the hub. I would only assume.
I thought you would remember.
Oh, yeah, right here, told you. I just got a little hasty.
You stung. Nerd.
Alright, there's no need to call me a nerd.
You can call me dumb, but not a nerd.
Well, yes, because I know that.
There was a puzzle piece that was literally just a ball. Do you see that?
No, I did not.
Oh,
I was not looking. I was Treasure Trove Cove. Ah, silly me. I forgot the trove.
Dumb. But it was like literally, the puzzle piece was at the edge, but it didn't have the side. You know, it just had the.
Oh, it
missing
didn't have
ball.
like like a jigsaw puzzle piece would have.
Yeah, yeah.
The
Yes.
What was it? The male port, some may say, or was it the female?
Huh?
We're just gonna skip right on past that, cause you know. Well, I'll explain it to you actually,
It was a
just to get it
circle.
through your head. All right.
Yeah, but there was
So when you're
nothing
dealing with
there.
puzzle pieces, it's either got an innie or an outie, and the outie would be the male, aka penis.
Oh yeah, now I know what you're talking about. I
There
was
you
so
go.
confused. Like, what the heck are you? I've never heard that. But yeah, it was a boy.
It was a boy.
Yeah.
Was it a young man?
With these.
Woo! See ya, Buster. You can say whatever you feel.
Well, with these puzzle pieces, it's a train.
Looking like a tranny Danny out here. Cheeky bird.
Probably
Wow.
weren't allowed.
Oh wow,
Oh
he
my
just
God.
he nipped my yits right there. I'll tell you that much.
That's a big melting bird.
Oh, I wasn't. I was supposed to ground pound. I mean, the beak thing. Oh god.
Bird.
Am I gonna die? Please say no.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh
my
my
god.
God.
Oh my god. All right, we'll
Gosh,
come back to
you're
that. I'm not gonna
choking.
die. I'm not gonna die to
You're
that
at
man.
you're at 3. You're fine. Now you're at 4. You're
Whoa.
fine. Now you're at full. You're fine.
Well, I'm gonna go back and kick his ass, cause now I'm well equipped.
Now that I ran away and came back with some extra.
Now I got
stuff.
the courage.
Get it. Get it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Suck on that fart.
You heard. What was his name?
Nipper.
Oh.
Cause he nips the yits. Oh my god, look what you made me
It
do.
rhymes with viper. Kill him. Oh.
Ah! That's
I
literally
couldn't
what he
live.
said. What an exclaim
Where'd he
from
go?
that man.
You're just gonna go in.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go. Bro, I'm gonna take us home,
Then
start
you
it
go
up,
kiss Yits.
clean it out, and live here for the rest of my life.
Yeah, it does look like you need.
Whoa!
Oh my
gee,
god.
Jiminy.
made
God, I killed your
babies.
mother. Oh! See you, bud. Yeah, that's what I
Oh,
thought.
they give you 2. Oh!
Yeah, okay, yeah. Try to sneak up on me like that. Not in my town.
Not in my house.
Oh, did you? Oh. Three times the charm, baby. That's what they say.
That commercial. Well, I don't know what it was about, but it was this kid throwing cereal boxes, trying to throw cereal boxes in his shopping cart. I don't know which basketball player it was, but just bam, denied that. Not in my house.
Oh, Matumbo? Something like that?
Yeah.
No, not today. He has a very deep voice, and I, for sure, do not have one, so I cannot copy what he says.
I don't remember what it said. I'm not even sure if he said, not in my house.
Not in my house.
Not
As he lives
my
in the
house.
supermarket.
Yeah. Who doesn't?
Honestly,
Free food at night.
that would be your life. Just sit there, just living your life. Free food. Free as can be. What are you gonna do about it? Kick the man out of his own house? No.
Out of his own house. His outhouse?
Well, he could
Yeah,
also
yeah,
have an
all-
outhouse
all
too.
you
He
gotta
could
do-
be living fucking luxurious if he wants.
Yeah, you just hide an Xbox
Talk to my boy.
behind the
Blubbo.
paper towel shelf. So that when they find you and get angry, you get angrier back.
You get angrier back. That's just how it goes.
Yep, exactly how it goes. Why is he crying about lost treasure? It's happened a million
Like acting
times
like
in
that's
Sea of
valuable or something.
Thieves. It's happened a
Treasure.
million times in Sea of Thieves, man.
Well, yeah, it happens. Don't cry about it, but hey, that's his life earnings right there. You can't lose that.
That
See, look at
This
that.
is so
That's
he can pay
look
his
at all those
rent for his
bullions.
boat. Oh god.
I ain't gonna gonna die. You think I'm gonna die? Come on. What do you think? I'm a scrub?
Yeah.
Well, I am, but
Well, I don't have to shove it
you
in.
keep shoving it in my face. Alright, let's go get this blubber man some of his gold. Is that offensive?
Blubber man. Nah. Only the fat people.
Only the fat people it is. Well, yes. I would only assume.
Indeed.
Oh, there we go.
Nice. Isn't there
We
one?
got his bully. Nah, there's only 2 bullion. Like 2 piles of bullions, I believe.
Why do you keep calling you bullying?
Because that's what they're called.
Bullions.
Yeah.
He bullying me.
Yes, that's exactly what I said.
Why are you bullying me?
Look at that backflip that way out of here.
Nice job. Oh dang. Pull out that
Look at
bully.
that. Look at that. Yeah, I work out.
I work
What
out.
of it?
Me treasure. Archie, take this report. I'm off to spend. I thought
See-
he was gonna end this.
Spend.
It's like a robot. Yeah. Malfunctioning. Spend.
And spend.
Boom, falls through the door.
Oh god.
Get those
Alright, where's our bottles? I was gonna say
I
Monty
believe
Mo,
you'd be
but that's a
Kanye West.
different game.
Monty Mo. Oh yeah. You freaking.
Where is he?
Get those now.
Thank you.
And those feathers. You didn't get the feathers.
Well, I don't need the feathers yet, because
Well,
I
I
haven't learned
want
the damn
the
move.
feathers.
Well, don't we all?
Oh. Can of paint.
Oh wait. Oh, I'm a buffoon. Oh!
Oh. Whoopsies.
Oh, whoopsie. Is it okay if I
Me
just
licky.
pop a deucer
No
right in your
butter water.
bucket?
Can bear block hole with pebble.
That ain't no pebble, that's my dookie.
Leaky patch top. Now empty water for bear.
Thank you.
Wait, what?
Oh, that was stupid. I probably should have gotten those notes, but then again, I did say we were not going to 100% this.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, the frame rates were there.
Oh yeah. Hey, hey.
Oh, let's get up on there, baby.
Come on, geek. Don't you have to spell banjo or something? Kazooie or something?
Yeah, I believe so. Let me just get these notes real quick, because now I'm missing 5. Just like the good man I am.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Because I feel like I'm entitled to it.
You feel like
Uh,
you're dumb.
How do you spell banjo? What's the next letter? Oh, God. Oh,
A,
God.
B, C,
Where's
D,
N?
E, F, G,
I'm choking.
4, 2.
There it is.
It's right there. Told you. Stupid.
Yes, because you said everything that would have got me right there.
Bull!
This is it.
Bull! See?
What?
You're so focused.
Yeah, because I'm on a time schedule right here.
Get that other.
You got that eye.
You literally had 50 freaking seconds.
Look at that. Put me on the spelling bee.
Get him. Can you actually?
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, what? He's got his belly up. And he somehow hit me.
Wow, you're just that good at this game, man.
Yeah, I mean, some may say I'm that good. I don't know.
Some may say that he's a
But who's
legend,
counting?
but I say he's a freaking idiot.
Wow.
Get wrecked on.
You can get wrecked, homie. Homie G. Alright, let's see if I can get these notes. If I can't get them, I'm just gonna say frick them.
Frig him.
No. We gotta go one more time. Alright.
Frig him.
Frick 'em. Let's get out of there. Alright. Bulge.
How long did we leave it? I forgot to start the timer.
You always forget to start the timer.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what?
How did that not?
Did you
can-
forget
can
I'm a
they
pro
hurt?
gamer? Put me on MLG.
I
Is
don't
that
think
even
they
still a
can even
thing?
get it. I don't even know. I mean, Doritos and Mountain Dew is still a combination. So,
What
yeah,
is?
Doritos and Mountain Dew. Oh yeah, they can play games.
Doritos and Mountain Dew are still a combination, so that for means
MLG
MLG is still around.
always be around, because Mountain Dew and Doritos will always be around.
Yes. Because that makes some utmost
Who
sense.
doesn't like a good old Dorito?
I mean, I like Doritos.
I don't know, dude. I never
Oh.
took band.
Oh
Oh,
my
my
God.
goodness.
That was almost a big choke.
Oh.
Go up the damn ladder. God dang it. Come on. Oh, it
Yep,
still
there
counts.
it is.
It still counts. Oh my God. Holy frame rates are still there. Man.
Wow.
Oh, whoa.
That's crazy. Oh man. See, there are feathers. You could have gotten those feathers before. You would have had more. Now you know it.
Oh.
Oh my God. That's because you didn't have the feathers. You
Well,
didn't
yes,
have...
that's
Oh my
exactly
God.
why.
There's a shark.
Screw you, shark. We don't need you.
Wow.
I know, that was actually kind
That
of harsh. I'm
hurts.
sorry.
That hurt me.
Why'd it hurt you?
Because you hurt him so badly, it hurt me.
Wow.
Wow.
That is crazy, man.
That shark's gonna get you.
I know, but I'm pretty sure there's like an extra life somewhere.
Snack.
Snack or be snacked? It's down here.
Oh,
Told you.
Oh,
Oh, damn it.
that takes 2?
No, I think I hurt myself before. Self-inflicted.
Oh
Get
my
away
God.
from me!
Snack.
Oh, no, that's only one.
Didn't-
Get out of here, lovely, you freak! You freak! There we are. Now you get the hell away from us. Now we
Where'd
got
that
what we
go?
wanted.
Whoa, was that from the freaking honey thing?
Yeah, it's everything
It
stays.
stays?
Yeah, that's why I left it. Don't want to take too much. Wow.
Innovative. You are trying to be...
Wow. It was only
Wow.
right in front of my face.
Wow, you're only just slightly dumb.
Only slightly.
Stupid.
I mean, I would say a little bit more than slightly, but who's counting?
I think it's a good time to end it. We've been playing for quite a while.
Have we?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure, didn't we start at like 3:30-ish? Somewhere around there?
Yeah, around 2:30.
It's like it's 3:52. It's like, but it's not. It's actually 3:53.
I will keep going for a little bit.
Until
Oh my, I choked that. I have to read this, Jakey. We'll probably call it off after that.
awkwardly dockly. Haddly diddly damn.
Howdy doodly.
Dad.
Dad. I'm telling you, I was thinking, and you just cut me off, and you're like, you're gonna say something. I was like, I
Well, I'm
panicked. And I
sorry.
went, Dad.
Well,
And
it
nothing.
was silent. It was silent, and I was just gonna refrain what you were gonna do, and then you say it, so you gotta go down. Dad, you cut me off, man.
Well,
You
most
actually
importantly,
cut
you cut
me
No,
off.
you cut me off. That's a
know
load of
it is.
hogwash.
I know it is. I'm so sorry.
You better be.
Just kidding.
Skip it up.
Oh, look what you made me do.
freaking. Wait, which trigger are you going for?
I was just getting those notes. The one up on the left. The other route. Out of the 2 routes there are with these. Pretty sure there's one off to the left. We'll just snag that one. Color quitters.
That's farts. That's how he gets out.
Well, yeah, they call that the Mega Blaster.
I'm sorry. They call that the Mega Plan.
Look at those. Look at those ups.
They call that the atomic
He gets
bomb.
up.
You should play
Now, do you think it's mostly the feet doing the work, or do you think it's mostly the flapping of the ass cheeks?
both. Both.
Honestly, I would.
Oh my
Well,
god.
that didn't happen. All right. Well,
Whoa.
just want to call it quits
Cut
there.
that out.
After that
Just straight
great
up ended
display
after
of
Mickey.
gamerism right there. As we
Bro,
like to
Hammer's
do.
Here. Wait,
All
get
right.
that mumbo toke. Well, wait, you need the fly, don't you? Which is right there.
Yeah, I have to fly.
Yeah.
I definitely didn't voice crack. Alright. Thanks for watching once again. I mean, if you guys like, always drop that like button. If you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.
Yeah!
Oh my god. Alright, we'll call it there.
Drum roll, please.
Take a little bit of break.
Take a little bit of a break.
Boom, 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 lay it down. Okay. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh.